welcome to another Dirty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Now let's get into our top stories. And first up, singer Chloe Bailey made many users online go Lord have mercy after she posted this video to her Instagram.
To my 4 million followers and counting, my candy kisses and my clovers, thank you all so much for loving me, and I love you right on back. There's a lot more to come.
Now in a shocking twist, Chloe Bailey has deleted the video from her social media. In other Chloe news, the singer posted a video showing her new partnership with Hulu.
Oh, honey. How long have you had cable?
I'm alive!
Come here. Shh. It's okay. Just switch to Home Plus Live TV.
That's it. That's it. This deserves an Oscar. Like, no, that have me a while ago. Feel like a fool commercial. You never need to give them a 10 out of 10 acting right there. Jesus! Meanwhile, heavy rains caused major flood in Montego Bay. It looked like some of them didn't really need the art down there after all. Now let's get to this developing story. Ruthven Towers caused major controversy. Controversy.
Backside where you gone down there. Don't worry, baby, me not care. But don't forget me expensive and dear.
Talk right with more on this story. So we have to read this legal note from the NHT, the National Housing Trust, and they say, this is to the public, shut your mouth with your little bit of money.
Words can bring me.
Now moving right along. Now, according to several reports, 5th form graduation is officially banned. Ooh. Now, students are required to leave high school only after completing 6th form.
This is crazy.
So they really have to send them for the 2 more years of high school for just walk with them bag empty? Now in more parliamentary news, MP Hero Clark recently spoke in Parliament regarding DNA paternity test.
Madam Speaker, as a legislator, I will be moving a motion for the DNA paternity test to be done at the birth of the child in order to determine fatherhood of that said child. This, Madam Speaker, I believe will stem majority of the domestic violence in our society.
I the EPA jacketing make the man them just so abusive to them woman. Now keeping things moving, Saga releases its latest ad. Take a look.
I had a really good time tonight.
So did I.
Life moves fast. Be prepared with Sagicor Life. Learn.
That was actually a fun ad. Now, a young man exploded online after a video of him shaving his cock went viral. Viewer discretion is advised. Or did they really think that it was great? Come on, man. Come on. This is a PG channel. Now let's continue with our stories. Now around 11 a.m. today, a tourist was seen complaining for overpaying for several items at a very popular hotel.
I buy Doritos and I buy Cheetos. $150. Turns out a bag of chips here costs approximately 20 or 25 bucks. So, and we got 2. So, you know.
Too bad for you.
Now speaking of tourists, an illegally blood brawl took place at a hotel, leaving several people with postable content on their phones.
That's it. Get him. Get him.
I don't like this. The fighter never have no buzz at all. They need little spice.
You want fight? No!
Now residents of the Woy Woy community were in disbelief as they witnessed a biker display several dangerous stunts on his way to deliver food.
At Cliff Nationwide. Time for the break.
Okay. Oh, Zine? Zine. Okay. So that's how when me order my 3-piece chicken, when it reached me, it looked like, say, a cup soup. Okay. Now, in other news, actor Paul Rudd was announced as the sexiest man alive. No! So, me what, chop liver? How come? Okay, now it was an unusual scene after social media Jamaican Safari assisted his common-law wife, Erica Mena, with some creative dancehall moves. The relationship you're coming like half-dead battery in a remote. You know, just like when the thing set done and have nothing else in it, you just beat it 2 times and it just start work again. Them that. And moving it right along, now the Shape of You singer Ed Sheeran proves exactly why he is a man that is all-knowing.
So glad that you actually had seen this, because do you know how many reggae remixes there are
have
of
you,
your shit?
Have you heard the When You're Man Enough?
Yeah.
Baby, I will be in you till you're in ecstasy. You know me love when you push it in. Damn, you have the best fee.
Hey, listen.
You know me like the fucking spontaneous ways. You never get the...
We definitely have to go and invite him to the next Strictly 2K. But I asked, now, young M.A. was over herself when she met my aunt recently.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't understand. Wow. Love, man. Love, man.
It's my baby right here.
Hello. Oh my.
Hey Siri. Call Auntie Hallie.
Did you mean Auntie Shelley Mobile?
No, Auntie Hallie.
I don't see an Auntie Hallie in your contacts. Who would you like?
Well, let's ignore that. Now, Disney Plus released the trailer for the Proud Family reboot.
Good morning, fam.
This is my wife, Trudy. And what's your name again, young man?
You can call me Sugar Mama.
We about to blow up!
I have to watch it, but first, let us sing piece of the theme song. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. You and me will always be tied. Yeah, man, let me just leave the singing thing alone. More dirty news after this break. Now here is our feedback question. Imagine being in a taxi and you see your partner on another person's phone screen. How would you react? Now welcome back to Dirty News. Let's get into this one. Kyle Rittenhouse cries as he describes the shooting.
Whatever. That's right, run.
Why you do it, John Croft?
Now moving right along, a ball player went on a murderous spree during this football match. My gosh! Now Lil Nas X is set to appear on the Maury show.
Wednesday. It's a Maury exclusive. Montero found the love of his life.
Maury, can you bring my man out?
But was shocked to discover Jai was married.
Me and Jai have been together for about a month and a half.
You're a liar.
With a child.
This might be your baby, Maury.
Is Jai the dad? In the case of 4-year-old Noah. Or will Montero get exactly what he wants? Wednesday on...
Can someone give this man's PR marketing team a raise? Like... Now Mike Tyson recently revealed that he used to cry before his fights. Not because he was scared, but because he was worried about the safety of his opponents. Now, social media personality Legitimate recently released his debut music video for his single, Season, or is it SZN?
This summer season like a Maggie at the sponsor. Iniquity dead and no corona and no cancer.
The song is definitely a vibe. Now speaking of vibes, this Shenyang showed exactly why she passes the vibe check. Now let's head back into some more lead stories. Now a woman was recently bombarded while on her way home from work. This is exactly what transpired.
Six-pack or a dad bod?
Doesn't matter. I just want a good guy.
So what about me? You like my abs?
You're young.
So what?
That means I don't see it that way. I see you as my child. Hi, honey. When you going home later?
Can my abs get your phone number?
No.
I like.
What the fuck? You don't see that?
You're married? I have a goldfish.
That is what's the name of your goldfish?
No, like things we don't care about. Your marriage, my goldfish.
Oh, so you don't care?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you how much I care. Bye-bye.
Now, students at a elementary school recently received a mathematical sermon during their lesson.
Say 18 divided by 3 is 6.
18 divided by 3 is 6.
And 18 divided by 6 is 3. Because 6 and 3 are factors. Are factors. Are factors of 18. Put your hands together and give them glory.
Me can't just bet to them pick your favorite book of the Bible is Numbers. That was so bad. Boy, no man, the wonderful Akan, Jesus Christ. Now a 10-year-old boy recently took to social media to express his distaste after being given homework.
Homework is basically school at home. You doing homework at home when you really supposed to do stuff at school. Ain't school the place to learn? Home is to come from school, chill, get on your tab to get on game what you want to do. But the teachers want to take like 30 minutes of your time, an hour of your time, just to give you homework. They do this to bother you. I don't know why they do that, but that's teachers. All our kids, put your hands up. Hope for everybody see this video. No more homework. No more homework. Now we out.
And now to our final story. Now, the crowd was brought to their feet after a patron was lifted into a daggering spree. Take a look. Well, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching this Dutty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Do take care until next time.